We'll choose a Castorboard. The program automatically knows all the faces that this could be on, so we're going to choose the lower face. And just as an example, we can show you, we can set the offsets of the edges should you want to have the Castorboard inset. This is really helpful for front opening cases where maybe you want only a small amount of the Castorboard to poke out the front. You can do that. We're going to make this slightly more drastic on the sides. So now it will remember this offset regardless of how big or small you make the case. This offset will maintain. You can also use offset from case. This value will float the Castorboard away from the case if you wanted to allow for a 6 or a 9mm spacer that you put under there for certain designs. So that can also be done. So we're going to place this Castorboard. You'll notice that we'll automatically give it a rad. This rad is just a current preset, but you can create your own Castorboards that have no rads or maybe a chamfer, and you can add those easily to the library and then use that as your starting point. So we have our Castorboard, and what we're going to do is just show you that we could actually edit those offsets at this point if we wanted to. So we could take that back to something more realistic and maybe just have it slightly offset all the way around. So that's all updated.